Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I'm Adalbert Khar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. After several days, people took a sigh of relief today when the district administration allowed essential shops to open in Shillong city. The government has imposed a complete lockdown from May 19 to 31st to break the chain of COVID in East Khasi Hills. Total lockdown is also on in West Garo Hills district from May 21 to June 1. Administration in Tura has allowed locality essential shops to be open on Monday and Wednesday and Friday in coordination with the Development Committee and Tura Municipal Board. The relief to the people will be allowed through the opening of only essential shops. Notably, cases of coronavirus continues to witness an upward trend in urban areas of the state including Shillong, Tura and Nongpo. West Garo Hills District Magistrate Ram Singh yesterday had passed an order, thereby making some relaxations to facilitate the citizens of the district during the total curfew by allowing the opening of locality grocery shops, vegetables and meat vendors, milk booth, etc. for purchase of essential items on Monday, Wednesday and Friday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. in consultation with the locality development committees and Tura Municipal Board for urban areas and market development committees along with the block development officers for rural areas. The order also included allowing of lifting essential items from the wholesalers from 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Further, the order also included set conditions like allowing of only one person from each household for purchasing of essential items, wearing of mask, maintaining of social distance, shops to have barriers, no overcrowding and not allowing of private and public transports during the relaxation time. The district administration of South Garo Hills today promulgated total lockdown in the entire district. The lockdown will be effective from 24th May 2021 from 5 a.m. to 1st June 2021 till 5 a.m. The order was issued after the number of COVID-19 positive cases in the district have been increasing for the past 1 week, despite measures being put in place for containment. The district administration has reviewed the situation further and after obtaining feedback from all stakeholders, it has been felt expedient to put in place stringent measures in order to break the chain of transmission, contain further spread of the virus and safeguard the citizens of the district. Moving on. Around 125 employees of the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science or NEGRIMS hospital have tested positive for COVID-19, an official release said. Public Relations Officer Dr. Cornerstone 1 informed that there are 125 NEGRIMS employees including doctors, nurses, ward attendants and other hospital staff who are either tested positive or under quarantine. Dr. 1 informed that the administration has taken adequate steps to deliver appropriate patient care for all COVID positive cases, including other routine emergency cases admitted at NEGRIMS. Meghalaya has become the fifth state in India and the only state in the northeast to report sauropods and the first record of probable titanosaurus bones discovered in the southwest Khasi Hills of Meghalaya. In a statement issued here, the Geological Survey of India stated that during a recent study by a team of officers from the Paleontology Division, vertebrate fossil bone fragments were discovered from the lower part of the Mahadik formation of the Matritian age from Maupuli and Dirang villages near Ranikor in the southwest Khasi Hills district, Meghalaya. It happens to be the first record of sauropods of probable titanosaurian origin discovered in the southwest Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, the GSI said. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Monday said Assam's fight against COVID-19 is unparalleled with any other state. Speaking at the Assembly session, CM Sarma said that no state can be compared to Assam in the fight against the second wave of COVID-19. We are working in tandem to control the COVID-19 in Assam. In terms of recovery rate, mortality rate and disease burden rate, after 1 month, Assam will be in first or second state in India. Sarma said that Assam is the only state in India which has been providing oxygen to the other neighbouring states of Northeast. Union Health Ministry today said that on-site registration and appointment have now been enabled for the 18 to 44 years age group on the Co-Win platform for COVID-19 vaccinations. However, this feature is being enabled only for government COVID-19 vaccination centres or CVCs at present, it said. This feature will not be available for private CVCs and they will have to publish their vaccination schedules exclusively with slots for online appointments. As the country continues to grapple with the rising number of black fungus, mucormycosis and white fungus cases, the nation woke up to the shock of its first reported yellow fungus case in UP today. The first case of yellow fungus infection has been detected in Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh. As per report, doctors and medical experts have already deemed yellow fungus more dangerous than white and black fungus. Poor hygiene, consumption of unhygienic food and unsanitary conditions reportedly result in yellow fungus infection. In a rather highly unfortunate incident, a sitting MLA from Arunachal Pradesh has faced racial discrimination. Ninong Ering, MLA from Pasighat West constituency in Arunachal Pradesh, was racially discriminated in the social media. Ninong Ering was racially discriminated by a YouTuber by the name Paras Singh. In his YouTube video, Paras Singh has questioned Ninong Ering's nationality, saying that the Arunachal Pradesh MLA does not look or his name does not sound like an Indian. Speaking to this correspondent, Arunachal Pradesh MLA Ninong Ering termed the remarks of the YouTuber unfortunate. Ninong Ering said that it is really unfortunate. The YouTuber seems to be a young lad and I have nothing against him, but it is really unfortunate that he does not even know his country. Real Madrid captain and legendary defender Sergio Ramos has been shockingly left out from the final squad of the Spanish national team for the upcoming UEFA Euro 2020. One of the greatest defenders in the modern era of the beautiful game, Ramos has been snubbed by the Spanish think tank as head coach Luis Enrique announced the final squad today for the La Roja following the end of the season's La Liga, the top flight league in Spanish football. Enrique has surprisingly not named a single Real Madrid player in the star-studded squad of the Spanish national team for the European Championships. Even though 26 players were allowed to feature in the squad list for the European tournament, Spain only selected 24 players and former captain Ramos was one of the major absentees. Thank you for listening to our podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublai Shibon Mithela.